Hi, I'm Kristy. I'm with the York County Library, and today I thought it would be fun if we worked on a project that had to do with nursery rhymes and Mother Goose. Nursery rhymes are extremely important to very young children and their language and brain development. Children have to learn to listen before they can read, and nursery rhymes teach the sounds that vowels and consonants make. They teach pitch and volume and voice inflection and rhythm. And since nursery rhymes have patterns, they also teach sequence and memorization and recall. And those are all very important components of reading. Many of the nursery rhymes also teach simple math skills and counting. And of course, they expand vocabulary because so many of them use words that we don't have, commonly in use today. They've done studies back in the 1940s. Most elementary age school children had a vocabulary of around 10,000 words. And today, the same age elementary children are more of a limited vocabulary, closer to 2,500 words. So obviously, a great way to help expand our kids' vocabulary is to begin reading and working on memorizing nursery rhymes. They are also helpful with motor skills, and I thought it might be fun to have something today that we can do at home. Jack, be nimble, Jack, be quick, Jack, jump over the candlestick. Jack's jumped over the candlestick, and maybe at home the kids who are doing this would like to have one too. So some of the things that you would want to have on hand if you'd like to make your own candlestick would be a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just cut construction paper into a circle. And you would also want either a toilet paper roll, or you can cut down a paper towel roll. And really, I think you could probably just use paper. I'm going to cover mine up with construction paper. And I didn't do a good job. You can either tape or glue it on there. And I want to have a little bit of yellow or orange or red paper for my flame. And we'll just fold our paper in there. And I'm going to put a little glue. You can use regular glue or tape. If you use hot glue gun, then definitely a grown-up needs to help. And then fold the paper in on the bottom. And just put a little glue around there. So that you're able to glue it onto your candle holder. And your candle holder is much easier if you have a little handle for it. So we're going to take our little handle. We just made a paper circle. And you can staple it or glue it or tape it onto the bottom. And now Jack has another candlestick to jump over. The nice thing about nursery rhymes, like Mother Goose, is that you can do them anytime in any place. Jack, be nimble, Jack, be quick, Jack, jump over the candlestick. Jack, be nimble, Jack, be quick, Jack, jump over the candlestick. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did.